everyone, it's Mark again. I'm taking a break from talking about my car because I want to finish up a project that I started a week or so ago before I was recording videos to put up on the channel. And what that project is, which if you're on follow my Instagram page, you saw a picture of it, is this old Estwing, formerly leather-handled tinner's hammer. And this thing just came in a box of junk. I'll put up a picture of it so you can see what the leather handle looked like. There was nothing left of it. It was solid rust. Most people probably would have just ditched it, thrown it in the garbage. But I thought, hey, I don't have a tinner's hammer, and I'd just make it a little better. So here's where I'm at now. I spent some time grinding and filing the head to get it nice and smooth, take off all the rust, all the pitting. I had to take quite a bit off, but there's plenty on these old hammers, old Estwings to deal with. So for the handle, I know lots of people have tried to find a good way to replace the leather. If you talk to Estwing, they won't sell it to you from what I can tell because they'd rather you buy a new hammer, and they have some BS excuse about liability, as if you're going to replace the leather on your handle, therefore it's going to kill someone and it's all their fault. But anyway, I'm going to make a new handle, not out of leather, because of animal rights ideals as well as not having any, and go with a piece of firewood from a walnut tree that fell down in my parents' yard. I've had this sitting around for a while. I don't know if it's any good. I just grabbed it off the firewood pile, and I think I'm gonna make a handle out of it. So follow along and watch me either make a really cool handle or waste a bunch of time. All right, there you have it. I'd say it turned out pretty nice. I could do one more level of polishing on it, but it's already too nice to use now, so I don't know why I need to make it any less usable. I did have one problem that I didn't have in the video. When I was off camera, I was painting over those two pieces on the back that hold the cap on, and the vibrations actually split the wood handle right off. I was on the fence of just throwing the hammer back in the drawer and scrapping the whole video, but I decided to just fill it full of epoxy again and clamp it up and proceed, and it worked just fine. But you can see some splits. I don't know how well they show up there, but you know, they're full of epoxy, and really it's fine. People that have been doing this a long time make mistakes, and I made a lot of them on this stupid hammer. I love how the first video I put up of me making something is basically just a video of me being an idiot and screwing everything up, but that's how it goes some days. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment. Thanks.